we just have to learn to recognize that voice as not ours and know that it's not a part of us, and know that it is kind of universal in that we all have this part of us that wants to criticize us or make us feel small to keep us safe. And that's what I love about the creative process in art, is just because this is so applicable to so many things that I've navigated in my life, just never feeling not enough and never feeling good enough, never feeling like, yeah, the stuff that I do is good enough or pretty enough.